Number 20. The Jetson ONE represents a remarkable leap in personal aviation, merging cutting-edge technology with the thrill of flight in a compact, single-seater flying vehicle. Designed with an intuitive control system, it allows pilots to navigate effortlessly through the skies, offering a sense of freedom previously reserved for drones or helicopters. Its lightweight yet robust frame ensures stability and safety, while multiple electric rotors provide precise lift, smooth maneuverability, and rapid response to directional changes. The Jetson ONE is equipped with advanced battery technology, giving it impressive endurance for extended flights, and features an open cockpit design that enhances the sensation of flying while maintaining a secure harness system for pilot protection. With intelligent software integrations, real-time monitoring of flight data, and automated stabilization features, it caters to both experienced aviators and newcomers seeking an accessible introduction to personal aerial vehicles. Aerodynamically optimized, it cuts through air resistance efficiently, allowing for quiet operation and minimal environmental impact, all while delivering a visually stunning and exhilarating flight experience that redefines urban mobility and recreational aviation. Number 19. The XTurismo is an innovative flying car that blends futuristic design with advanced aerial technology, offering a seamless transition between driving on roads and soaring through the skies. Its sleek, aerodynamic body is engineered to minimize drag while maximizing efficiency, allowing for smooth, stable flights and impressive speed. Number 18. The Leo Flight Jetbike is a revolutionary flying vehicle that combines the agility of a motorcycle with the thrill of personal aviation, creating an entirely new way to experience the skies. Its compact, aerodynamic design allows for swift maneuvering and exceptional responsiveness, giving pilots an unparalleled sense of freedom and control. Powered by advanced electric propulsion technology, the jetbike delivers smooth, stable lift and quiet operation while maintaining impressive speed and efficiency. The open cockpit configuration immerses the pilot in the experience, with intuitive controls, real-time flight monitoring, and automated stabilization systems that enhance safety without sacrificing excitement. Lightweight yet durable materials ensure both structural strength and aerodynamic performance, while innovative battery solutions extend flight duration for longer journeys. With its bold design and futuristic capabilities, the Leo Flight Jetbike is redefining personal flight, offering a unique, exhilarating, and highly versatile mode of transportation that merges the thrill of motorcycling with the possibilities of aviation. Number 17. The Cycletech Cruise Up is an advanced flying car that merges sleek design with cutting-edge aerial technology, offering a futuristic approach to personal mobility. Engineered for both comfort and performance, it features an aerodynamic frame that enhances stability and efficiency, allowing smooth, controlled flights while minimizing energy consumption. Its electric propulsion system provides precise lift and responsive handling, delivering a quiet yet powerful flight experience ideal for urban commuting or recreational journeys. The cockpit is thoughtfully designed with intuitive controls, real-time flight data, and automated stabilization systems, ensuring a safe and accessible experience for pilots of all skill levels. Lightweight yet durable construction materials give the Cruise Up both agility and resilience, while modern battery technology extends its range and reliability. With its seamless combination of ground and air capabilities, the Cycletech Cruise Up represents a new era of versatile, environmentally conscious transportation, redefining the possibilities of how we move through the world. Number 16. The Zapata Air Scooter is a groundbreaking personal flying vehicle that transforms the concept of individual flight into an exhilarating, hands-on experience. Designed with a compact and aerodynamic frame, it delivers exceptional maneuverability and precise control, allowing pilots to navigate effortlessly through the skies. Its advanced propulsion system generates smooth and stable lift while maintaining quiet operation, ensuring both performance and safety. The air scooter's open cockpit design immerses the pilot in the sensation of flight, while intuitive controls, real-time flight monitoring, and automated stabilization systems make it accessible even to those new to personal aviation. Built from lightweight yet durable materials, it balances. Number 15. The Bellweather Volar is an innovative flying car that seamlessly blends futuristic design with advanced aerial engineering, offering a new dimension of personal transportation. Its streamlined, aerodynamic body ensures stable and efficient flight, allowing pilots to glide smoothly through the air with remarkable control and responsiveness. Powered by cutting-edge electric propulsion technology, the Volar delivers quiet, precise lift while maintaining impressive speed and maneuverability, making every journey both thrilling and safe. The cockpit is crafted for comfort and intuitive operation, featuring real-time flight data, automated stabilization, and intelligent navigation systems that cater to both experienced aviators and newcomers. Lightweight yet durable materials provide structural integrity without sacrificing agility, while high-performance batteries extend its range for longer, uninterrupted flights. With its fusion of style, functionality, and Number 14. The RYSE Recon is a cutting-edge flying vehicle engineered for thrill-seekers and urban explorers alike, combining sleek, futuristic design with high-performance aerial capabilities. Its aerodynamic frame ensures smooth, stable flights, while advanced propulsion technology provides responsive control, rapid acceleration, and precise maneuverability, delivering an exhilarating yet safe flying experience. The open cockpit design immerses the pilot in the sensation of flight, complemented by intuitive controls, real-time monitoring, and automated stabilization systems that make navigation seamless and accessible even for newcomers. Number 13. The urban Aero CityHawk is a visionary flying car that reimagines urban mobility by seamlessly blending futuristic design with practical aerial technology. Its sleek, aerodynamic frame is optimized for efficient flight, providing stability, smooth maneuverability, and responsive control for a safe and enjoyable experience. Powered by advanced electric propulsion, the CityHawk offers quiet, eco-friendly operation while delivering impressive speed and precision in the air. The cockpit is designed for comfort and intuitive use, featuring real-time flight data, automated stabilization, and intelligent navigation systems that make piloting accessible to both experienced flyers and newcomers. Lightweight yet robust materials ensure durability without compromising agility, while modern battery systems extend flight range for longer urban or recreational journeys. With its combination of style, functionality, and cutting-edge technology, the urban Aero CityHawk represents the next generation of personal transportation, offering a thrilling. Number 12. The CopterPack Gen 3 is a revolutionary personal flying system that combines compact design with powerful aerial performance, offering an entirely new way to experience individual flight. Engineered with precision, its lightweight yet durable frame ensures stability and agility, allowing pilots to maneuver confidently in diverse environments. Powered by advanced electric propulsion technology, the Gen 3 delivers smooth lift, responsive control, and quiet operation, providing a safe and exhilarating flight experience. Its intuitive control interface, coupled with real-time flight monitoring and automated stabilization features, makes piloting accessible to both novices and experienced aviators. The open cockpit design enhances the immersive sensation of flight, while high-capacity battery systems extend range and reliability for longer excursions. Combining futuristic engineering, versatility, and eco-friendly performance, the CopterPack Gen 3 redefines personal aerial mobility, offering a thrilling and highly adaptable solution for urban commuters. Number 11. The Volonaut Airbike is an innovative personal flying vehicle that merges the thrill of motorcycling with the freedom of flight, creating a unique aerial experience. Its sleek, aerodynamic frame is engineered for stability and precise maneuverability, allowing pilots to navigate effortlessly through the skies with confidence. Powered by advanced electric propulsion, the Airbike delivers smooth lift, responsive handling, and quiet operation, ensuring both safety and excitement in every flight. The open cockpit design immerses the pilot in the sensation of soaring above the ground, while intuitive controls, real-time flight monitoring, and automated stabilization systems make it accessible even for those new to personal aviation. Lightweight yet durable construction balances strength with agility, and its efficient battery system extends flight range for longer, uninterrupted journeys. Combining futuristic design, eco-conscious technology, and exhilarating performance, the Volonaut Airbike redefines personal aerial mobility, offering a dynamic, versatile, and unforgettable flying experience. Number 10. The Lift Aircraft Hexa is a groundbreaking personal aerial vehicle that pushes the boundaries of what single-pilot flight can achieve, combining innovative engineering with intuitive design. Its compact, hexacopter-inspired frame offers unmatched stability and maneuverability, allowing pilots to experience smooth, precise, and controlled flights even in challenging conditions. Powered by multiple electric rotors, the Hexa delivers reliable lift, quiet operation, and rapid responsiveness, creating a flying experience that is both thrilling and safe. The open cockpit design immerses the pilot in the Number 9. The Silverwing Personal Flight S1 is an advanced personal flying vehicle that combines futuristic design with state-of-the-art aerial technology, delivering an unparalleled experience of freedom and mobility. Its sleek, aerodynamic frame is engineered for stability and precise control, allowing pilots to glide effortlessly through the air with confidence and ease. Equipped with powerful electric propulsion, the S1 provides smooth lift, responsive handling, and quiet operation, making each flight both thrilling and safe. The open cockpit layout immerses the pilot in the sensation of flight, while intuitive controls, automated stabilization, and real-time monitoring systems ensure accessibility for both beginners and experienced aviators. Constructed from lightweight yet durable materials, it balances agility with structural strength, and its advanced battery system extends flight time for longer excursions. With its blend of cutting-edge engineering, eco-friendly performance, and sleek aesthetics, the Silverwing Personal Flight S1 redefines personal aviation, offering a versatile, exhilarating, and highly futuristic mode of transport for modern skies. Number 8. The Cyclotech Blackbird is a cutting-edge personal flying vehicle that redefines the boundaries of aerial mobility with its sleek design and advanced technology. Its aerodynamic frame is engineered for maximum stability and precise maneuverability, allowing pilots to navigate smoothly and confidently through the skies. Powered by high-performance electric propulsion, the Blackbird delivers quiet, efficient lift with responsive handling, combining safety with the exhilaration of flight. The open cockpit design immerses the pilot in the sensation of soaring above the ground, while intuitive controls, real-time flight data, and automated stabilization systems make flying accessible to both novices and experienced aviators. Constructed from lightweight yet durable materials, it ensures structural integrity without compromising agility, and its advanced battery system extends flight range for longer journeys. With its futuristic aesthetics, eco-conscious technology, and thrilling performance, the Cyclotech Blackbird offers a versatile and exhilarating personal aviation experience, bringing the dream of effortless flight into reality. Number 7. The Xpeng X3 is an innovative flying car that embodies the next generation of personal aerial mobility, combining futuristic design with cutting-edge technology. Its sleek, aerodynamic body ensures stable and efficient flight, while advanced electric propulsion systems provide smooth lift, responsive handling, and quiet operation for a safe and exhilarating experience. The cockpit is designed for intuitive control, featuring real-time flight data, automated stabilization, and intelligent navigation systems that make piloting accessible to both newcomers and seasoned aviators. Lightweight yet durable materials offer structural strength without compromising agility, while high-capacity battery systems extend flight range for longer journeys. With its seamless integration of style, performance, and eco-friendly technology, the Xpeng X3 redefines urban and recreational transportation, delivering a versatile, thrilling, and highly futuristic personal flight experience. Number 6. The Aridge A868 is a state-of-the-art personal flying vehicle that combines futuristic design with advanced aerial engineering, offering an exciting new way to experience personal flight. Its streamlined, aerodynamic frame ensures smooth and stable maneuverability, allowing pilots to navigate with precision and confidence. Powered by high-efficiency electric propulsion, the A868 provides responsive lift, quiet operation, and reliable performance, delivering both safety and exhilaration in every flight. The open cockpit design immerses the pilot in the sensation of soaring above the ground, while intuitive controls, real-time flight monitoring, and automated stabilization systems make it accessible to both beginners and experienced aviators. Built from lightweight yet durable materials, it balances agility with structural strength, and its advanced battery system extends flight time for longer excursions. With its combination of cutting-edge technology, eco-friendly operation, and sleek aesthetics, the Aridge A868 represents the future of personal aerial mobility, offering a versatile, thrilling, and highly innovative flying experience. Number 5. The Leo Coupe is a revolutionary flying car that seamlessly blends high-performance aviation technology with sleek, automotive-inspired design, creating a truly futuristic personal transportation experience. Its aerodynamic body ensures stable, efficient flight. Number 4. The Klissarov Acro is a next-generation personal flying vehicle that combines precision engineering with an exhilarating sense of freedom, delivering an unmatched aerial experience. Its sleek, aerodynamic design ensures stability and agility, allowing pilots to maneuver effortlessly through the skies with remarkable responsiveness. Powered by advanced electric propulsion, the Acro provides smooth, reliable lift, quiet operation, and exceptional control, making every flight both thrilling and safe. The open cockpit layout immerses the pilot in the sensation of flight, while intuitive controls, real-time monitoring, and automated stabilization systems make piloting accessible to both beginners and experienced aviators. Constructed from lightweight yet durable materials, it achieves an optimal balance of strength and maneuverability, while high-performance battery technology extends flight range for longer journeys. With its futuristic aesthetics, eco-conscious performance, and dynamic capabilities, the Klissarov Acro redefines personal aerial mobility, offering a versatile, high-adrenaline, and highly innovative flying experience. Number 3. The vertical Aerospace Valo is a groundbreaking personal aerial vehicle that exemplifies the future of sustainable urban flight, combining cutting-edge engineering with sleek, aerodynamic design. Its streamlined frame ensures stability, efficiency, and smooth maneuverability, allowing pilots to navigate confidently through crowded cityscapes or open skies. Powered by advanced electric propulsion, the Valo delivers quiet, responsive lift and precise control, creating a flying experience that is both safe and exhilarating. The cockpit is thoughtfully designed for intuitive operation, featuring real-time flight data, automated stabilization, and intelligent navigation systems that make it accessible to both newcomers and seasoned aviators. Built from lightweight yet durable materials, it balances structural strength with agility, while high-capacity battery systems provide extended flight range for longer journeys. With its fusion of futuristic aesthetics, eco-friendly technology, and exceptional performance, the vertical Aero. Number 1. The Jetpack Speeder is an extraordinary personal flying device that transforms the thrill of flight into a compact, high-performance experience. Its aerodynamic design and lightweight frame allow for precise maneuverability and effortless navigation through the skies, giving pilots an unparalleled sense of freedom. Powered by advanced propulsion technology, the Speeder delivers smooth lift, rapid responsiveness, and quiet operation, combining exhilaration with safety in every flight. The open cockpit configuration immerses the pilot in the sensation of soaring above the ground, while intuitive controls, real-time flight monitoring, and automated stabilization systems make it accessible to both beginners and experienced flyers. Durable yet agile construction ensures structural integrity without compromising performance, and high-efficiency energy systems extend flight duration for longer adventures. With its futuristic aesthetics, eco-conscious operation, and dynamic capabilities, the Jetpack Speeder redefines personal aerial mobility, offering an exciting, versatile, and highly innovative flying experience.